Okay, let's look at the homework 3.3, 3.4, number 7. All right, so looks like the area of this rectangular pasture is fixed. And we want to find the dimension so that it's going to require least amount of fencing. All right, so let's do that. All right, so we know that, let's see, the area is going to be, so area A is simply x times y, right? So this is fixed at 204,800, right? So we can just simply divide through by x to isolate y. So y is equal to 204,800 divided by x. All right. Then we look at the perimeter, P, or fencing, is going to be x plus 2y. Right? But the y is 204,800, so we can write it as x plus, right, 2 times that is 409,600 divided by x. Right, I'm going to rewrite it as x plus 409,600 x to the negative 1 power. All right, so let's take the derivative. So, which is equal to, derivative of x is 1. Derivative of that is negative 409,600 x to the negative 2. Right? So this is equal to 1 minus 409,600 over x squared. All right? If we set that equal to 0, all right, then we multiply both sides by x squared. So we have x squared minus 409,600 equal to 0. All right, then we can just add 49600. So you have x squared is equal to 409,600. All right, then we can just take the square root of both sides. X is going to be equal to plus or minus square root of 409,600. Right, I'm gonna cheat just to use a calculator. So square root of 409,600 is 640. Is plus or minus 640. All right. Then we're not talking about the negative distance, so we have a negative length, so it's going to be a positive one. All right, when x equals 640, it's going to be the maximum or minimum. Let's make sure. All right, so look at do the number line, then look at the p prime. All right, then here 640. All right. If it's before 640, so like small number like a 1 or something, then you see that it's going to be a negative value. Right? Something bigger than 640 like 1000. So if you put 1000 right here, then you see that this is going to be positive. Right? So the P is going to be decreasing here, and after that it's increasing. So we know that we're going to have a minimum here. Right? then y value is going to be simply y is equal to 204,800 divided by 640, and which is 204,800 divided by 640 is equal to 320. All right. So this is 320. All right. So let's type it in. All right. X is 640 and y is 320. All right. Let's check the answer. All right. It came back and we got X and Y correctly. All right. That's it. I hope that this was clear.